YouTube, man, what's y'all EDC? Mine is a Glock 26 Gen 5 custom Cerakote. Hey, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, man. Subscribe. Range videos coming soon. And the collection is about to grow rapidly. And when I say rapidly, I mean rapidly. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. And also let me know how y'all feel about the ATF's new guidelines for short barrel rifles.